inside here, we want to have a preview function on the table so we can preview our users' information. Now, to do this, let's start out by doing a route get users user. And in this case, we can just go ahead and make sure you have the user imported up here. Let's say in this case, we return response JSON with the user information. And we don't need to request 200 there, that's irrelevant. We want to be verified and an authenticated user. So inside our users table, inside the record action, so it will be inside the function of configure, and we have record actions. We're going to create an action in here. We're going to call this preview. Now this we can call preview user using the label. It will, if you don't use that, it will basically just call it preview otherwise. We can then say UL. With the UL in this case, we can pass through a shorthand function. We can call this users to show. We pass in the record, which is correct here. That's the user basically. And we could say something like open in new URL. Doesn't have to be that. And we could add in an icon. There we go. Now we have a preview user with an icon. It shows up a JSON response here with the user information. And we can change this to preview, for example. And that's it. It's a super easy feature you can just quickly add into your table if you're wondering how you can add in a preview feature. Now, you can go ahead and obviously make this more complicated if you want to. You could add in color in here. We could say secondary, which will be black. And we could go ahead in here and add in things such as all sort of other things in here. But I think that really covers the basic of adding in such a thing as a preview feature. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like and the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.